Hey, what is up guys? Welcome back to another video. So before starting, if you are new to the channel, a sub to the channel will be. So let's get started. So Samsung just launched their Samsung Galaxy Series with S21, S21 Plus and S21 Ultra. So before proceeding in detail, if you remember the Apple event which was held in the month of October or Techtober 2020, so Samsung threw some serious shades about the Apple which says it's not shipping the charger with it, and in fact that led to much trolling to the brand on the social media. The South Korean multinational brand now says that it will not ship the power adapter along with the new series of Galaxy. Not the first time that Samsung has taken a dig at the Apple brand, so whenever they launch any product they have this particular things. Now that's been said, let's move on to the technical specs of S series or Galaxy latest series. It has a new design but with a plastic body. Not really sure why Samsung is going back to the previous series, because if you look at S20, so those are all with the glass body material, but now it has come up with the plastic body. About the software, One UI 3, the next level of user interface. But whenever I say this, I remember the MacBook Big Sur OS, because it is much similar, or I can say that it has been inspired by Apple. Samsung has enhanced their camera features, so everyone wants to have their own portraits in the best way as it is in DSLR. So Samsung has come up with a new technology where it will enhance the portrait pictures during the daylight or night times, and it will also allow you to select the frame before recording itself, which is like telephoto or wide or ultra wide. And Samsung has come up with a ultra tech chipset, so which has 5 nanometers with 20% faster CPU, 35% faster GPU, faster AI engine, and 20 tera operations per second, which is tremendous operations in the mobile industry. And they have also enhanced the security features. It will store the personal information on the chipset. So it is called as Samsung Knox Vault, which has a secure processor, secure memory, integrated software. All together is combined is called Samsung Knox Vault. Now with this, if you capture any picture, it has the all location specific details or metadata of the location. So if you want to remove that, we can just go to the options and remove it. And if you want to share any private photos, such as any picture to any Samsung device, you can simply share it, but after which if you don't want to share that, you can just revoke the sharing. Samsung also claims that the battery lasts for a complete day even though when you are in use of 5G. And this is something that we come to know only once the mobile is in market and been used for 1 or 2 months. And Samsung also collaborated with many gaming companies to enhance their gaming experience, and Samsung claims that it will not have any heating problem or battery draining problem, by which they have collaborated with many other companies. You can see on the screen with the adaptive performance, and this is a very interesting point to be highlighted. And it has a dynamic lock screen where you can change the wallpapers on the lock screen. And also the new feature which was introduced by Samsung in this launch is that so when someone calls you, you can change the background of the particular calling wallpaper, and if someone calls during your play, it will just block calls and messages, and it will not interrupt your gaming. Since it has collaborated with Microsoft and many other companies, so you can just multitask or continue your work from mobile or from the laptop, and you can share the content from your mobile to the laptop, and all these calls will be diverted or will be routed to your PCs. And the screen has the 48 to 120 Hz of adaptive refresh rate, so which will be more smoothness when you are using a multitasking or when you are using switching the tabs or switching the apps. And it also has the 8K feature where you can just take a snap from the 8K video recording. And now comes Ultra. So the name itself says that it has something special when compared to other generic models, so which has the 12 megapixel of wide angle camera and 108 megapixel of wide camera for Ultra, and 10 into 10 megapixel of telephoto camera. And it has a inbuilt mechanism. It has enhanced pro graded camera which is used in professional cameras, and it is optimized for image quality for various shooting environments such as like lighting with low lighting. It will remosaic the technology and produce a stunning optimal photo. So more clarity, details and sensor of the texture pictorial representation. Situations provide more challenging when taking the pictures in the low light photography by making noise and all. But it uses nano binding, combines 9 pixels into one, which will eliminate the noise, increasing each pixel surface area for capturing this. So what I feel is, after looking at this, it is like professional photographic camera. So that's all guys for today. I hope you liked the video. Thank you so much.